Do you use Trust Wallet and want to transfer your crypto to Phantom Wallet to explore the Solana ecosystem? In this video, I'll show you how to transfer your crypto from Trust Wallet to Phantom Wallet safely and step by step. So in order to transfer crypto from your Trust Wallet into your Phantom Wallet, you'll need the two wallets first. So need the two wallets created and need Solana in order to perform this. So we'll be using Trust Wallet, Phantom, and also Solana token itself. So we're transferring from Trust, Phantom. So in order to transfer, you'll need the address for your Phantom because your tokens is moving from Trust to Phantom. So the withdrawal is happening from Trust Wallet, the deposit is happening on Phantom. So we need to get the address for the Phantom itself. So let's just go to Phantom. So because it's Solana that we are going to use in order to deposit, let's just click on Solana and then we click on receive. So when you click receive, we'll have the address that we are going to deposit into. We just copy that address and then now we go into our Trust Wallet. A quick interruption for the video. We all know that crypto is a fast-paced world and you need somewhere to get this information as fast as they happen on the blockchain. To do that, just join the GekoodHub email newsletter and I'll be dropping this alpha into your email inbox to update you on the hot narratives and what's trending on the crypto market. The link to subscribe to the GekoodHub email newsletter is in the description below. So in this case, we are assuming that you already have Solana tokens sitting within your Trust Wallet. So it will be shown here under the list of tokens that you have with you. So I have a very long list of tokens sitting here under my Trust Wallet, but as you can see, I already have some Solana into this wallet. As much as it's a very low value, but I have some Solana sitting here. So I just click Solana. And then on the bottom part, I can see there's send, there's receive, there's swap, buy, and sell. So I want to withdraw Solana from my Trust Wallet. So I'll click on send. And then I have the address or the domain name. Under the address or domain, I just paste what I copied from my Phantom Wallet. Then I have the amount. I can either go with max or you put the amount that you want. So I just click 0.004. Then you can see there's memo there, but I don't believe it requires you to put memo, because if at all it required us to put that one, then it would have been generated for us within Phantom. The areas that you normally need to use memo is when you are going to deposit a token into a crypto exchange, something like Binance, OKX. On some tokens they require you to put the memo. And always make sure that if it's something that is required, you put it and you put the right memo, because myself, I've initially lost a crypto by putting memo which was wrong. That one happens earlier back when I just started embracing crypto. I didn't know much about these things, but by making mistake, you learn from those mistakes and you become a better person. So always make sure that if at all an exchange requires you to put a memo, then you put the correct memo that's being shown from the exchange. In our case, we don't need a memo. We just click next. And then we'll now need to confirm the trade. So the total cost is $0.89 and the network fee is $0. So it's very cheap to interact with the Solana blockchain. You can see paying $0 in order to perform a trade. So that's how to easily transfer your coins from Trust Wallet into your Phantom Wallet by just going to your Phantom Wallet, getting the address, go into your Trust Wallet, then you put the address copied from Phantom, finish off the trade.